Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this amazing recipe. It's a cake, it's a pie, you can call it whatever, it's delicious. Let's make it. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's cut 300 grams of fillet chicken of a medium-sized chicken. Put the meat into a frying pan with some hot oil. Meanwhile, let's cut 1 onion into little square. Let's grate 3 carrots. When the chicken is golden, let's add the onions and mix it all around. Now the carrots, and continue mixing. Meanwhile, let's cut the potatoes in little squares and also add it into the chicken. And I keep mixing. 1 big red bell pepper, let's cut them into squares and put it into the pan. And let's keep mixing. Now let's prepare the batter. Add 200 grams of flour and 50 grams of butter of room temperature together. Now you can add 250 milliliters of milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Before adding, mix 1 tablespoon of soda to 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it all together until smooth. Now let's add some batter into the form that we'll be using for the cake, and also add some flour. Now let's add the batter and spread it from the form. Now you can add the ingredients. But before, add some parsley. Let's add some salt and some pepper. Mix it all together and add it on top of the batter. 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of milk. Let's mix it all together and pour it on top. Let's put it into the oven at 180 degrees for about 35 minutes. When it's all done, let's grate some cheese. I'm only using 50 grams, and add it again to the oven for about 5 minutes. Now it's all done. Let's cut them up and plate them. It's delicious, super easy to make, and very filling. Subscribe to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching!